Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete shows from My Stuff on Peacock TV account. To delete shows from My Stuff on Peacock TV, first of all go ahead and open up a web browser. Type in peacocktv.com and search. Soon after you do that, you will end up in the official website for Peacock TV. Once you end up in the home page, click on the My Stuff button at the top right corner. You will then be able to see the list of shows or contents that you've added onto My Stuff list. Simply go ahead and select the content and click on it. Now, this will open up the info page for the selected show. Click on the My Stuff button once again, and the show will now be removed from the My Stuff list. If you go back to the My Stuff category again, you will be able to see that the content now has been removed. That is how you easily remove shows from My Stuff on Peacock TV. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.